Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Beautyforever Hair for sending us this wig. Let's see what's inside, y'all. I'm gonna open the box. We got some goodies. We got an edge band, a brush, lash, and a wig cap. We have the edge band right here. Have a booklet. Also have a band where we can store the wig. And here is the beautiful wig. We're gonna go into it. Oh my god, so pretty. Look at this. We have edges, y'all. This is so cool. You see this? We have edges. This is like, sis, buy this wig because I cannot do my hair. I want to look good. This is the wig. So this is how it looks. The lace is already pre-plucked, so you can definitely add this to your hair. It's a 6 by 4.7 pre-cut glueless 33B Jerry curl wig. It is so cute. The curls are really defined. Like I said, it also has a breathable cap, adjustable band, which I love. So this is a perfect wig for beginners. If you don't know how to install wig, listen, you even have the baby hair already. So we're gonna install this right now. Let's get into it. Thank you, Beautyforever here. The color is beautiful. Let's get in. All right guys, welcome to the install. Looking crazy, but I promise you everything is gonna slay. We're gonna add a cap to the hair or to the head. This is like an invisible cap. Also gonna add makeup. That way it is looking flawless. Adding makeup. I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup onto the lace as well. So this is how the lace looks because we're doing a glueless install. So I want to make sure everything is perfect. So let's add some to the lace. And it's super blended, okay? You can either add foundation or powder, which matches your skin complexion. That'll be perfect. Alright, it's a breathable cap. I told you guys that before, which I absolutely appreciate and love. I am going to finesse it. I am super excited to add it on. But look at these curls. They are perfect. This doesn't need anything, okay? It's like, girl, all you gotta do is slip this on. Let's try the wig first. Let's see how it looks on the head. Come, all we need is for it to be prepared, okay? Good preparation. If you're a person who don't wear wig, don't worry, this is it. You don't have to worry. All you need to do is finesse it a little bit and it completely snug the head. So what I like is that it has the comb at the back, just so it's a glueless wig. You can make it more secure, if that makes sense. You understand? I think I want to pull this down a little bit. Come on. If I'm in a rush, I can pull this wig right out the package and install it to my head. Girl, I'm excited to style it. I don't think I want to take it off, so I'm going to show you guys. Oops. So we have the band right at the back and it's adjustable. Right now it's a little bit big. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make sure this is out the way because I'm teaching you guys how to secure the wig right now. Can you guys see? Okay, so we pin the wig up. We're gonna secure it because it's a glueless wig and you need to make sure it's snug on your head. So I find the band. We're just gonna adjust it so however we want to do it, whether it's however tight we want it, whatever is bearable to us. Okay, that feels good. It's right here, so we just need to pull it. Look at that. Girl, please. We're gonna finesse this wig. Y'all see that? Oh Lord. I don't have to make no baby hair. I'm literally just gonna add some mousse and fix the curls. Get into this. You know what you can do as well? I like to use the bands at the side to secure the side areas so this flip doesn't show. So I'll put it like in one of those cane roll. I love how this fits. Love it. Let's get into finessing this wig. I'm gonna use a hot comb and we're gonna plug this up some mousse, add some water, and that's it. And that is it. And I can do it, you can do it. All you need is a spray bottle with water, a hot comb. You don't even need a hot comb. You could add some mousse. I mean, I'm just gonna eat this up because we don't have to use it. I'm just gonna rely on the mousse. So all you need is to get yourself a mousse from the beauty supply store and some water. Boom, you're done. If you get this wig, sis, it's super easy. Anyway, I am going to add makeup right here to define it some more. Just using my concealer, nothing much. Completely define the curl, and not the curl but the part. Alright guys, the hair is completely dry, looking so good. Oh my god, everything is easy. Y'all see that? All right, beauty forever, because we're beautiful forever. This is how it looks. Real simple, real easy. You can install this with yourself. It is completely glueless, okay? And it also comes with the baby ear. So let's just get into all the wig look at the back with the curls. So pretty. Child. Guys, everything will be in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. You could wear this however you want. It's completely glueless. And you slide it back on. That's simple. Period. Like, I'm so happy because I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna slide it back on. So thank you guys. Check the description for this direct here, or you could check out their complete website. Thanks again. Let's get into showcasing this beauty.